So the BMW, what was supposed to be a very simple bolt-on kit to give me a little bit more power as an OEM plus option, has turned into somewhat of nightmare fuel for me over the past month. And I haven't posted about it, but I'm finally getting to a resolution. And I want to, since I've documented everything that went wrong with it, I want to show you guys everything. This is kind of an interesting video. I'm not trying to jab anybody here. I was done kind of dirty with a few things on this kit, and you'll see that over the next few videos. Today, a very unique issue I'm going to show you. I just felt like I really wanted to make a video about this in particular. And then obviously, like, the car right now drives. This is the first video of about 3 that you're gonna see about my journey with this Supercharger. Crazy stuff. So here we go. The question is, can it rev without blowing itself up? So this is a BMW water pump. Can you guys tell what's wrong here? Yeah, my Supercharger snapped my water pump into pieces on pretty much first startup. So that's crazy. The E46 is just so close to running, but we've been waiting on that. So I ordered these, got a brand new water pump. Yeah, by the way, there's supposed to be ears on this thing, you know, to bolt it up, and those are gone. So yeah, and it's got the protective little housing on it, so we'll install that today. And went ahead and did an upgrade on these cars. The hydraulic tensioner is very common to upgrade on track cars. So this is the hydraulic tensioner that they upgraded to, and I figured I might as well do it because this is what everybody swears by. We're gonna be doing this today, that, and then hopefully doesn't explode on itself. We also upgraded to a 740i clutch fan. I always prefer to keep clutch fans because it's way better over E fans because they're consistent if they don't blow themselves apart. Fits in there nicely. Hopefully it works, man. Boom! I love snapping my fingers in parts just being installed. Isn't that so sick? 7.5 foot-pounds on the water pump. I use bolts and Loctite. Let me show you guys this. I don't think I showed you guys this. I hope I kept them. I think I threw them away, but I'll show you a picture if I have it. All 4 studs in the block were literally just bent, like bent outwards, which is crazy. It's never something, I've never seen anything like that. And a lot of BMW guys were like, dude, that's impressive. I don't even know how you did that. So we've got that back in. I've got the hydraulic tensioner on, which is, was this, you know, very simple install. I'm honestly not exactly sure why it's so much more popular. I'm sure it's just a lot more accurate with tension, but that is on. And thankfully I have an extra water pump pulleys. So we got that. I'll go ahead and slap this on there, and hopefully this thing doesn't blow itself apart. Dude, the one thing I'm not a huge fan of about this whole kit is this spacer. You gotta run the spacer for the clutch fan. I just feel like it puts an unnecessary amount of tension on it, but what do I know, dude? So this is going to be the startup that indicates whether or not I'm gonna jump this car off of a cliff or not. Cross your fingers for me, boys. I think I have literally touched every bolt, fixed every piece on this car. Like, every BMW thing that can go wrong has gone wrong for me. I have nothing else to upgrade or do except for build. Oh, I don't want to say that. All right, let's try it, boys. This is the startup. All right, come on, please. What just happened? What the hell was that? What was that? I don't know what that freaking noise was. Stay tuned. I don't know. Oh God, what the hell was that? So I'm getting code P0174, P0070, and P0444. All of them indicating that something is wrong in the air-fuel mixture. So thinking it's maybe a MAF issue, which is so weird because it did not have an issue before with the MAF sensor. It ran totally fine until literally right now. Okay, that was a nightmare, but I cleared the codes and it seems to run fine. This thing still does seem to be CNC, not straight, but maybe I'm just crazy. Everything seems to be good here. It's not making any noises. I might be able to actually take this thing out for a rip today. First, I'm gonna go ahead and bleed the system and get some water in there. They definitely CNC'd this wrong. I'm telling you, they said that they didn't, but they definitely did. You're gonna see a lot of water coming out because this is not quite, oh God, it's going everywhere. Yeah, look at this, dude. That's not even at all. Yeah, that's definitely still not even. This is a brand new water pump, brand new clutch fan, brand new everything. And that's still a shaky, shaky, shaky. Well, it idles fine. Clearly, I don't think it has any problems, but guess we'll see, man. A lot of vibration. I'm gonna rev it up a few times and see what happens. Dog! Did it just break another water pump? Oh my God! Dog, this is the second water pump, bro. This should not ever happen. Ever. Ever. What is going on, dude? And VF's not even freaking... Dude, they don't even care. Seriously, come on, bro. A week of my time... $300 clutch fan. Dude, it did the same shit again. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm really mad right now. I can't even describe to you. Brand new everything, bro. Just freaking deletes it. This brand new water pump. Destroyed on the inside. What is going on? So I think the problem is they freaking CNC'd this. Apparently it was made on a lathe, and I told them this. They're like, nope, it's made on a lathe. It probably is fine. No, that's the only, so I'm just gonna go, I'm just gonna say screw it, return my clutch fan and just go E-fan so that I have to stop dealing with this and blowing apart water pumps because that's freaking ridiculous. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very upset. I'm very, 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 very upset right now. So I do want to say, and obviously like on Instagram, you guys have seen that the car drives and stuff now, and I've been driving it around a little bit. We've somewhat come to a resolution, and I'm actually now at another standstill with something else because of the kit. What's crazy is like, I want you guys to know that I bought this kit because it was supposed to be a very simple bolt on and make power. Like there's only one way to install it, and then you send your ECU to them and they tune it for you, which that was completely wrong, by the way, just for the record, completely wrong. You're supposed to be able to bolt on, get your ECU back from them and drive the car. And it has not been the case for me whatsoever. So we're in the middle of tuning the car now, but I've got a couple more videos for you guys. It's wild. Cross your fingers and pray for me. I'm supposed to be at Circuit of the Americas this weekend with this car drifting at the Super Lap Battle drift demo. Follow my Instagram. It's Evan Shanks. You guys should know that by now, but follow my Instagram and I'll let you guys know what the deal is gonna be, but I'm gonna be doing ride-alongs. They are paid ride-alongs for this event because that's just how the demo stuff works. I am trying to get this car done. This is a crazy video, and obviously I was very upset, and I wanted to show that. There was no hiding that, you know? I think a lot of people expect me to just not show any of that or whatever. It was really a frustrating time, so that was that. But guys, cars are frustrating. They'll always let you down. And you know, it's a lot of people put a lot of their weight of their lives and their dependency in these inanimate objects that will always end up letting them down. And like driving's fun, building cars are fun, but you gotta focus on something else outside of that. And if you're not rooted somewhere else, if you don't have a purpose and you're not intentional about what you're doing and how you're doing it, then this kind of stuff can drive you insane, literally. I mean, it can drive you into the ground. I've seen a lot of tuners and a lot of companies really drive themselves crazy over just that by itself. So, you know, at the end of the day, it's a car, and I'm having car problems. And I will say I'm having very special issues that like only Evan Shanks has. I really don't understand. I feel like God's picking on me sometimes. I don't know. Lesson to be learned. Yeah, I'm sure there is one. And we're getting it resolved. Thankfully, I have some people that are willing to help and figure it out with me. But this was a very unique, obviously interesting issue on the video, and VF did make it right, I guess. They sent out an E-fan after, you know, I don't know. But that wasn't the problem. There's a bunch more problems, and we'll get to that next video. Take what you want from my daily advice out of what I just said. But yeah, I gotta get working on this thing. Gotta make sure this boy is rocking first circuit of the Americas. Love you all. Peace.